In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix GloryFit app not working. So what I had to do actually to be able to fix it is that I had to go into my app store. So I closed the app and I went into my app store in here. And basically, I'm just going to go back to the homepage of App Store right here, as you can see. So if you have an iPhone, go into App Store, but if you have an Android, go into your Google Play Store instead. And then click on search down here, as you can see. And we're going to now search for GloryFit right here. And then we're going to scroll down and click on the app. And as you can see, I have this blue button in here where it says open, as you can see. But if it says something like update for you on the blue button, it's very important that you click on that update button, because then it means that you have a new update that you haven't yet gotten it. And yeah, just click on it, get the new update, and that will most likely fix this issue for you that the app is not working. So if you have like a blue button in here where it says open, that means that you already have the most up-to-date version, by the way. So I did this, and when I updated the app, it actually fixed this issue for me completely.